101 freeway in Woodland Hills. We're about to exit the canyon. Past two accidents between 405 and this exit. One is northbound 101, one is southbound 101. Not much of the traffic. The rain's coming down pretty good. The streets look good so far. As you can see yourself, we'll be heading into the canyon shortly. There was some debris from trees and things on the sides of the freeway, but this portion of the valley, San Fernando Valley, looks pretty good so far. Just heavy rain, not much wind. August 20th, 12:25 p.m. reporting a hurricane or tropical storm, rather, Hilary.